Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your SoundCloud app. To know how to fix or how to solve your SoundCloud, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to the window of SoundCloud. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache and you can turn off your phone. You can wait a moment to turn on it, or you can go to Play Store to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.